Clarence Thomas says his colleagues don't understand the significance of self-defense. Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas criticized his colleagues because of the court's refusal to hear a case questioning California's strict handgun laws. Only Thomas and Neil Gorsuch voted in favor of hearing the California resident Edward Peruta, who claims that the state restricting gun carrying permits to the people showing a good cause goes against the Second Amendment's protection of the right to carry arms. Thomas stated that the other justices who voted against hearing the case don't understand the significance of self-defense. For those of us who work in marbled halls, guarded constantly by a vigilant and dedicated police force, the guarantees of the Second Amendment might seem antiquated and superfluous, Thomas said. But the framers made a clear choice. They reserved to all Americans the right to bear arms for self-defense. I do not think we should stand by idly while a state denies its citizens that right, particularly when their very lives may depend on it, Thomas wrote in his dissent. The High Court needed only 4 more votes to hear the case. Gorsuch joined Thomas and stated that the Supreme Court should have heard the indefensible ruling by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, which maintained a strict restriction that the San Diego County Sheriff's Department has placed on concealed carry permits. Only citizens in danger can gain a permit if they can prove that they need the gun for self-defense. The Ninth Circuit ruled that the Second Amendment does not preserve or protect the right of a member of the general public to carry concealed firearms in public. The whole point of the sheriff's policy is to confine concealed carry licenses to a very narrow subset of law-abiding residents, Peruta's lawyer said. And because California law prohibits openly carrying a handgun outside the home, the result is that the typical law-abiding resident cannot bear a handgun for self-defense outside the home at all. Thomas stated the High Court's rejection to hear the case reflects a distressing trend, the treatment of the Second Amendment as a disfavored right. The Second Amendment's core purpose further supports the conclusion that the right to bear arms extends to public carry, Thomas stated. Even if other members of the court do not agree that the Second Amendment likely protects the right to public carry, the time has come for the court to answer this important question definitively. Please share this post on Facebook if you agree with Thomas. Watch more video below. What is your opinion on this? Scroll down to comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe 24 Hours channel. Goodbye and see you again.